Hello viewers, today I am going to share some beautiful DIY decors for girls room. Hope you will like it. Please subscribe to my channel for more DIYs. So without any further delay, move forward to our first DIY, Unicorn Dreamcatcher. Dreamcatcher is the center point of every girl's room. Material required for Dreamcatcher is tape, thick thread, rainbow color ribbons and hoop, and one glitter sheet and pink sheet. The ring I used here is my daughter's old tiara. You can use embroidery ring also. I covered it with white tape. Now I am making the flowers. But if you want, you can use ready-made flowers also, but I didn't get the color and the shape I wanted for this DIY, so I made it myself. Flower making is very simple for this DIY. Tie the thread tightly and wrap it around the hook as I am doing. It seemed to be tricky, but it is not practically. When you will do it, you can be able to do it easily. Secure the knot at the end. As you can see how beautiful this is looking. Now I will paste the other parts of the DIY with the help of glue gun. Now tie the ribbons at the lower part of catcher. The length of the ribbon is almost 1 meter each. I am using rainbow colored ribbon. Our beautiful dream catcher is ready, and it is surely going to spread the colors in the room. Our next DIY is a tassel hanging. For this simple DIY, we will need some wool, beads and a branch of a tree, a little twig we may say. It is going to be super easy and entertaining at the same time. To make tassel, I have taken a piece of cardboard with 14-inch width and wrap the wool around it. Almost 40-50 rounds will be enough. After that, we will tie the knot with the thread going through it. It's really amazing to prepare the tassels. Now with the help of scissors, cut the other part of the tassel. After combing it, we will trim the threads coming out of it. Now we will tie a piece of wool to give it a proper look of tassel. Now we will need some beads. I am using all beads from the waist Rakis. To insert the beads, I used thin thread and tied it with the wool and inserted beads through the thick one. In the same way, prepare all the tassels. More the tassels, the more beautiful the hanging is going to look. Tie them on the twig in an order as I have done, or you can follow your own. This DIY is also turned out to be very beautiful. Now move forward to our next DIY, the dancing ballerina. Not much material is required for this DIY. On a thick white sheet, draw or take a printout of ballerina, cut it out and paste the thread between the two pieces. The dress I used pink net and doubled it to give fuller look. Stitched it to make gathers. And adjusted it according to the waist of ballerina. After that, I am going to paste it on the ballerina's waist with the help of glue gun. To give it a dazzling look, I use some glitter sheets, cutting to adorn it. Prepare at least 3 like this and hang it in your doorway with the help of piece of branch as we have done with tassel hanging. This DIY is going to look super awesome and going to add charm to a girl's room decor. Our next DIY is moon starlight hanging, which is also super cool. For this we will need old CDs, draw the shapes and cut them. The trick to cut the CDs is either to put them in the freezer or in the hot water for 10 minutes and then cut in the desired shape. It was little tricky and messy. If you want, you can use glitter sheet instead of old CDs. Paste them on different length threads with the help of glue gun. Final reveal of this DIY was also superb. I hope you are going to like these DIYs. Please let me know in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.